Wasn't gonna go fishing today. Temperatures in the mid-20s. It's got a blast, a lake effect overnight. Kind of windy today, but figure I called Mike up. I figured we'll take a ride out, try some afternoon steelhead fishing. Heading to Bird Dam. Last time we were there, we got skunked. I hooked two, lost them both. Mike didn't even get a bite, but gonna head out, give it a shot, see if we can get a fish or two. I should arrive at the creek about 12:30. Have a few hours to fish. Looking for a little redemption from the last trip where we both got skunked. Our goal today is just one nice fish apiece. Here we are, Fisherman's Park, Bird Dam, Dirty Bert. Well, there's quite a few guys here today, huh? A lot of guys got cabin fever, want to get out, catch some nice fish. Yeah, it's pretty packed here today for late January. I heard that the fishing's been kind of tough too, so I don't know. All right, hopefully this trip turns out better than last time. Give it a shot. All we're looking for is one good fish apiece. Water looks in better shape too. Yeah, water does look in pretty good shape, huh, Mike? Well, we tried it for about 20 minutes by the rock wall over there, working the jigs. No bites, seen a fish caught. Heard there's some fish being caught today. Head up to the dam and see what's happening. Pretty good flow, and the water's got, I don't know, about 1.5 feet. Somewhere between 1 foot and 1.5 feet visibility, so it's a lot better than it was last time we were here. Was 2-inch visibility, so feeling pretty good about it. Here's some fish being caught. Some guys are doing okay, some not so much. I said he just missed one. I got one on. Fish on. All right, man, see if we get him in. I lost something big. My only fish hook today, Mike's fish. Oh, that's a big one. Big rainbow. Nice one. Nice big one, huh? Whoa! All right, Mike. Nice. Big one, huh? Cheers. Nice big one, huh, Mike? Yeah. Almost got him, huh? On the black out. All right, man. Nice one. Nice big rainbow. All right, man. All right, man. Turn them loose. See ya. There he goes. All right, man. Got a fish.
Man, hands are cold now.
All right. Mike got another one. About the 5th or 6th bite he had. I had one bite, had one big fish on. That was it. He got another one. See what he got over here. What is it? Coho? Little coho. Little coho salmon. Alright, man. Fish is a fish.
Alright, man.
2. Now, Mike landed 2 fish today. I had one big one hooked on. Still trying to land my first fish today.
Yeah, he just missed a nice one. Had it hooked on. There was too much slack in his line, I lost it. Tough day out here. Pretty cold out. Keep working at it till we get a couple more though.
All day, I'm like,
Oh yeah.
I gotta get a fish, man. Last time me and Mike were here was high as 17. It's mostly frozen up, and I had 2 fish hooked. Mike didn't even get a bite, but we didn't get nothing. We got skunked, so we're looking for a little redemption today. Mike got his redemption.
That's right, you gotta get one now, man. You can't go 2 trips here in a row and get skunked.
Looking to black F. We tried all around the dam, on that side. Now we just moved to this side here. We'll see a few fish coming up. Most everybody left, but worked a couple wax worms on the jig.
Come on, you gotta get one. You can't get skunked. Well, we've been working at it for a while. I missed a couple more and he's finally got another hookup.
Third fish hooked. Tell you what, we're running on it. It's almost the end of the day. And I was thinking I'm gonna get skunked again. Finally another hit.
Looks like a nice fish too, a brownie. Oh yeah, nice brownie.
Good, that's a good one, huh?
That's a nice one there, man. Nice job.
I was hoping for a steelhead, but I'll take anything.
Oh, you got your hands on it. I consider that caught. Nice one, man.
Tell you what, man, I was getting nervous, man. Like I said, it's about 4:30. Probably got a half hour left. Third fish hooked, first landed today.
Nice.
Oh man, what a relief.
Nice one. He's wiggling.
All right, see ya. He bit me. He bit me. Tough fishing today. I don't know. We talked to one guy, he said he had 13. Fishing with a float rod, he said he got him early. Most guys we seen ain't really doing too good, right, Mike?
Yeah.
Fish here, fish there. Third fish hooked, first landed. What a relief. Oh man, I was getting nervous.
Yeah.
I said our goal was to get one apiece. We each got a fish, so I'd consider it a successful fishing trip. Just nice to get out, catch something. And about 20 minutes before it gets dark, see if we get one more fish. Working hard, Mike. Took me right to the end to finally get a fish in. Said I had 3 fish on. Finally landed a nice brown. Had something huge on. It felt like a king salmon, but what would king salmon be doing here in the end of January, right? It was huge. Mike got a nice bowl, small coho, and he lost a couple fish. Nice just to get out. It's about 25, 26 degrees. It ain't too cold. Starting to snow a little bit. Try one more spot along this wall here. We'll get out of here, see if I get a fish.
Look at the snow building up on them.
Just seen one come up over there, Mike. Try a few more casts when we get out of here. Burt Dam looks a hell of a lot better when it's covered with snow, don't it, Mike?
Yeah.
Alright, man, a few more casts, we'll get out of here. Wasn't the greatest fishing, but didn't get skunked. We both got a nice trout. You got a little salmon. And we hooked a few other fish. It's nice to get out, man, and enjoy the great outdoors. A little better than last time, huh, Mike?
Yeah, it was tough fishing, but we both got something.
Yeah.
We didn't get a skunking today.
Yeah, last time we were out there was brutal, man. High of 17, most of the time it was in the low teens. The whole damn pool was freezing up, icing over.
The water was dirty.
It was dirty, about 2-inch visibility. I was surprised I hooked 2 fish. You didn't even get a bite, but neither one of us got anything last time. Our goal was to come out and redeem ourselves, at least get a fish or 2 today. And we did. Nobody even here today, Mike, huh? Not a soul left on the creek. I think there's one guy back there. Snow coming down pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Not a soul left on the creek. The end.